Hi everyone, I want to make mini donuts. As you can see, this is mini donut in round shape. The ingredients: 3 cups of white flour, 3 spoons of milk powder, 3 spoons of butter, melted butter, 1 glass of sugar, 1 spoon of salt, small spoon, 1 spoon of baking powder, 2 spoons of yeast. Then mix everything all together. Cover your dough for 15 minutes. Then cut it into round shape. As you can see, this is how my donut is going to look like. So as you can see, this is ready. Next, you're supposed to dip in hot oil.